Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna go to another easy question for linked list cycle. This problem gonna help you to remember the fast and slow pointer. So we just read the question first. Given the head of the linked list, determine if there's a cycle in it. So look at some of the example. 3, 2, 0, minus 4 in the head, and then it will be true because there's a cycle in the linked list. The tail connect to the first node. The second example, this is also true because as long as the cycle coming back, then it will be. The last one is not because it doesn't have any cycle at all. So what is the trick here? The trick is to remember to use the fast slow pointer. So in this question is typically the fast slow pointer. One thing is to remember if there's a cycle in it, the fast and the slow pointer is to meet at one point in the linked list. So look at one of the examples right here. So we have 3, 2, 0, minus 4. So what we essentially do is to have two pointers. So if you remember a race of the rabbit and a rat, so if they meet each other at some point, which means the linked list has the cycle, just easy than that. So we have a fast pointer at the head and the slow pointer equal to head at first. So what gonna happen is the slow moving one and the fast has two moving two. So what essentially mean is when the slow pointer is at 2, so we're gonna move slowly. What we're gonna be a fast pointer now. So the fast pointer, because the move 2 point will be fast. Okay, so this is at time number 1. And what is the next one? The next one, the slow pointer is gonna move to 0. What about the fast pointer? The fast pointer is gonna move to 2 because it moving to 2 step but minus 4 and then coming back to 2, so it's right here. And continue the slow will be at this point, and the fast right now moving 2 step, which is 1, 2 fast. So right here you can see when the fast and slow pointer is meeting each other, it detect that it has a linked list has a cycle. Okay, one thing to remember though, some of the key here when it is not a valid linked list that doesn't have a cycle. So because it's minus 4 that has returned to 2, which is a cycle, how about this one? So because if you see the slow pointer and the fast, so I'm gonna move it slowly, so point right here and fast will be right here, and until slow is right here, the fast gonna be none because it's out of the boundary. So as long as fast equal to none or fast dot next equal to none as well, then will be, it's not a cycle. So this is one of the key point that is pretty important for this question. Now we're gonna code it up. So we're gonna initialize slow pointer equal to head, fast pointer equal to head as well. So now remember the condition that I told you earlier, that is pretty important, that trigger is fall right away. So while fast and fast is next. So we only allow the slow and fast to move if these two conditions are met. So we're gonna allow the slow pointer to moving one step, and the fast pointer is moving two. And if they meet each other, then we return true, which means it has a cycle. By default, if it doesn't meet the two conditions in the while loop, we're gonna return false. Okay, submit. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on the next video.